Hey guys, good morning. This is Tony. I wake up and I see fucking Shiba Inu touches 40 microcents, which is absolutely insane. I think when I last saw it, it was at 36 cents, and then overnight, it hit at midnight. It hit this huge price zone of 40 cents. So absolutely insane. Congratulations to everybody. You kept holding Shiba Inu. Um, I know a bunch of us bought in at like 0.0007, so we are definitely up at least like 5x from our original position, which is fantastic. But I think we're going to 59 microcents, plain and simple. After we broke that, I think that initial relative high of 37 microcents, there was really nothing holding us back as far as reaching 59 microcents. There's no resistance up until there. So, say it how you will. We might stay trading sideways for a while. You might jump up a little bit, but I think the run to 59 cents or 59 microcents is now inevitable. I think it's going to happen. I think it will happen. I don't know exactly when it will happen. I got to check the TA. But we're going to 59 cents. I think major resistance is going to be when we hit 59 microcents. I think that's what's going to be it, plain and simple. So I'll see you guys later. Super awesome to see this happen. I think my full Shiba my full Shiba portfolio, just Shiba by itself, I think is now worth about 20 grand. So I think on my Coinbase Pro, it's about 10,000 bucks, and here it's about 9,100. So definitely pretty solid overall. So, but I'm gonna keep holding for a while. I want to see what happens, and then we'll kind of go from there. But 40 microcents, man, that's a really big psych level, and it looks like it wants to break it all over again. So we'll see what happens. Bye bye, guys. Have a great weekend.